dear students. Today we are going to study about laws of addition of matrices. How we can add matrices and what are their laws. Last time we studied about the addition and subtraction of matrices. What are the laws that follows by addition of matrices? First law is commutative law. First one is commutative law. Commutative law, in commutative law, if A and B are two matrices, A and B are two matrices, of same order, as we can add two matrices of same order, A matrix of order 3 by 3 or something m by m, and same here on the other side, B matrix of order 3 by 3 or m by m. So we can add both of them. By adding these matrices, we can see that we follow the rules A plus B, which will be equal to B plus A. That adding B in A or A in B both have same answer. For example, we have two matrices. Suppose A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 9, 8, 2. And other one B is equal to 7, 1, 3, and x minus 2, 0, 4. These are two matrices of order, both have order 2 by 3. 2 rows and 3 columns, so they both have same order. So we have to find A plus B and then B plus A. As for A plus B, 1, 3, 5, 9, 8, 2 plus 7, 1, 3 minus 2, 0, 4. By adding them, 1 plus 7, 3 plus 1, 5 plus 3, 9 plus minus 2, 8 plus 0, and 2 plus 4. For answer, 1 plus 7 is equal to 8, 3 plus 1, 4, 5 plus 3, 8. And then the next one, 9 minus 2, 9 plus minus 2, which is equal to 7. 8 plus 0, 8, and 2 plus 4, 6. Now we have to find B plus A. For B plus A, first we write B 7, 1, 3, minus 2, 0, 4, plus 1, 3, 5, 9, 8, 2. By adding them, 7 plus 1, 1 plus 3, 3 plus 5, and second row minus 2 plus 9, 0 plus 8, and 4 plus 2. For answer, we can see that 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, 1 plus 3 which is equal to 4, 3 plus 5, 8, minus 2 plus 9 plus 7, 0 plus 8, 8, and 4 plus 2 also 8. Sorry, 6, 4 plus 2 which is equal to 6. By seeing all these, both of them matrices which is equal to A plus B and B plus A, these are equal matrices as they have same order and opponent entries are same. So we can say that A plus B is equal to B plus A, which means addition follow the rules. Rules of commutation are commutative law. Assalamualaikum dear students. In last lecture we studied about commutative law. Today we are going to study about associative law. What is associative law? in commutative law we use two matrices, but in associative law we use three matrices. If A, B and C, three matrices are three matrices of same order, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. We have two matrices having three matrices A, B and C having same order. Then first by adding first B plus C and then A is equal to by adding A plus B and then C. For example, we see there A is equal to 1, 3, 2, 6. B is equal to 2, 4, 3, 1. And C is equal to 6, 1, 7, 9. These are three matrices A plus B plus C. First we used to find A plus B plus C, which is equal to, first we write A 1, 3, 2, 6 plus B 2, 4, 3, 1 plus C 6, 1, 7 and 9, which is equal to, first we write A as the same 1, 3, 2 and 6. For addition of B plus C, we used to add their corresponding entries, as 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10 and 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So now it becomes two matrices. By adding these two, we can get here 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 2 plus 10, 12 and 6 plus 10, 16. First we find A plus B plus C. Now we have to find A plus B and then plus C. For this we use their 1, 3, 2, 6 plus 2, 4, 3, 1 plus 6, 1, 7, 9. By adding first A and B, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 2 plus 3, 5 and 6 plus 1, 7. By adding them, adding it in 6, 1, 7 and 9. 3 plus 6 which is equal to 9, 1 plus 7, 8, 5 plus 7, 12 and 7 plus 9, 16. So by seeing these two matrices A plus B plus C and A plus B then plus C are equal. So associative law hold in matrices, which means A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B then plus C. So these two matrices are equal. Associative law holds in matrices.